welcome to my channel. And here we are going to produce the isometric view of this object as we see it here. We want to draw it, though the object we are to draw the orthographic views of the object as instructed here, but what I want to do first is to produce this object as we are given here as isometric view. Okay, so looking at what we have here, so we are going to take this point as the lowest point, and then we have that distance from here to here is 18 millimeters. From here to here, so this total height is 40. From here to here is 15. From here to here is 28. From here to here is 18. From here to here is 12. And for us to get this point here, we have to take 6 millimeters down. Okay, so and then distance from here to here is 12 millimeters, and then the distance from here to here is 6 millimeters, and distance from here to here is 18. I think I've said that before. So we want to draw the isometric view of this object as we see it here. That's what we want to do. So let's start. Okay, so but what I'm going to do here, okay, so let's draw it as we are given. I wanted to increase the dimensions by multiplying its dimension by 2, but let's leave it as it is. Okay, so we draw a horizontal line here, and then we take our 30 degree set square. So we draw a line in this direction. What I want to do first is to produce this face that we have here, this shape that we have here. That's what I want to do first. So now what I need to do here now is to draw a vertical line up like this. Then I'll begin to take the dimensions. We have that from here to here is 18 millimeters. So I'm going to take a measurement of 18 millimeters here. So 18 millimeters. 18 millimeters. So here we have 18 millimeters, and I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. So this is the vertical line, and again, so another thing that I'm going to do here is to get the total distance from here to here, so that I can get this line. So what do we have? So we have that from here to here is 18, from here to here is 12. So that gives us 30 millimeters. So which means I need to take a measurement of 30 millimeters again from this point. So this is 30 millimeters. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line. So I will draw a vertical line here like this. So I'm going to take a measurement of 40 millimeters. So this is 40 millimeters. I'm taking my measurement from 1, not from 0. Then I will take 15 millimeters down. So we have 15. So what I need to do now again is to draw a line. So at this point I'm going to draw a line like this. Okay, so also at this point I will draw a line in this direction. So I believe you can see this. Okay, so then the next thing that I'm going to do is that so I'm going to take a measurement of 18 millimeters here. So I need to extend this line a bit. So extend this line a little bit. So I will take a measurement of 18 millimeters from this point. So this is 18 millimeters. Then I will take 12 millimeters. So this is 12 millimeters here. So we have that. So at this point I'm going to draw a vertical line where we have what? At this point here I'm going to draw a vertical line. So the vertical line comes down like this. Okay, so now the next thing that I'm going to do here is to take 6 millimeters down. 6 millimeters down. So 6 millimeters. So we have this to be 6 millimeters. So I'm going to connect this point together like this. Okay, so now the next that I'm going to do is that, so we take 6 millimeters down again. So as we have that from here to here is 6 millimeters. So I will take 6 millimeters down. So this is 6 millimeters. So then I will take 12 millimeters down. So this is 12 millimeters. So we have that. So what I need to do here now, is to again, so I need to draw this line. So this line goes in this direction like this. and this line goes in this direction. Again, I'm going to take 6 millimeters from this point here, 6 millimeters from this point. So take 6 millimeters, then I'm going to draw a vertical line. So here I will draw a vertical line. So this is the vertical line. Okay, so looking at what we have here, so we have drawn the face that I said we should draw. Let's bring it out so that we can see how the shape looks, so that we can know that we have gotten that particular shape that I said I want to draw first. So draw this line, make it a thick line. Okay, so make this also a thick line. So we also draw this one. So from here to here, make it a thick line, and then we draw this line down as a thick line, and then this line draws at a thick line. So this line also we draw it as a thick line, and then so we now draw this one from here to here. So we also draw this from here to here, and then we draw this one from here to here. Then we draw this vertical line. So if you look at what we have here, we have brought out the shape, as you can see here on the object. Okay, it's as simple as that. So next that we are going to do is to get the other part of the object. So what we need to do is to draw a line from this point in this direction. Okay, so from this point also, so from this point also we draw a line in this direction, and from this point, so we draw a line in this direction, and at this point also we draw a line in this direction. So coming up here, so we draw a line in this direction, and coming here, so we draw a line in this direction like this. Okay, so having done that, so what we need to do now is that, as we are told that the distance from here to here is 28, so we are going to take a measurement of 28 millimeters here, 28 millimeters. Okay, so this is 28 millimeters. So here I will draw a vertical line from here to meet this line. Okay, so then at this point I'm going to draw a line in this direction. Okay, so then so I'm going to take a measurement of 28 millimeters again on this line. So 28 millimeters. So at this point I will draw a vertical line here like this. Also coming up here, I will take a measurement of 28 millimeters. So this is 28 millimeters here. Okay, so I'm going to connect this point together with this. Okay, so then I'm going to use my set square to transfer this point to here. Okay, so we have completed the object. So what we just need to do now, and again, okay, I should have drawn a line from this point here. I need to draw a line from this point. Okay, so from here to meet this line, and then so at this point I will draw a vertical line to meet this line here. Okay, so that's it. So the object is out already. So what we just need to do now is to bring out the visible outlines. Okay, so let me pause the video, then when I'm done with the thickening of the edges I will come back. Alright, so this is how the object will look. So this point is the lowest point. Let's put X here. So that's the lowest point. So look at the object as we see it here, and this is how we see it here in this drawing. Thank you, and God bless you.